Hey Jake. What's up, man?
Yeah.
Where are we?
Here we are, man. We're in Martvili.
Where's that?
Tree tower, man.
Near Kutaisi, yeah?
Waterfall, yep. There you go, you get all that in the back. River canyons.
It's a whole ecosystem up there, man.
Yeah, right?
Genia.
Cool.
Loads of sparrows living up there, Jake.
Yeah, right? Yeah, let's just chill for a sec. Pretty cool tower, man. The views also awesome. Got some big rocks over there.
Yeah.
I think there's a cave right there. Something built in it.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah,
Where's the cave?
Built in it.
yeah.
Oh, that cave there.
Yeah.
I think it's some kind of church.
Crazy. That's pretty
Definitely some monastery or something.
cool.
Because
Yeah.
they used to do it
Maybe.
like in that case.
Could live in something like that.
Maybe. Like a shawarma.
Yeah, man.
Shawarma.
Shawarma man.
Shawarma.
Yeah. I pray for roast chicken.